Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can export a document on the Goodnotes application in PDF file format to save it on your device. So let us dive into this. So launch the Goodnotes app on your desktop computer or laptop, navigate to your document or notebook here on Goodnotes, and in the top right, you will see this share button, and next to it, also this button. So what you want to do is click onto this one, share and export, but instead of sharing it, select export as PDF file format, wait for the exporting to be finished, and after that you will see the document being saved in a download folder on your device so that you may open it, or for example, access it via the given PDF document editor on your device, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.